Oh, whoops.
Hey, I'll jump this fence, go run over there and slap that elephant on the ass. Hey, I'll be like Steve-O from Jackass. You ever see him when they got laid underneath the elephant and they let it shit on him? He goes, no way, dude. And he climbed over the fence at the zoo and he laid behind his back legs. And he goes, no, and he was laying under there like this. Oh, Zach. Look at him. What are you doing? What are you doing, Zach? Lean down here. Let me tell you something.
Are elephants mean?
Come down here.
No, they're nice.
Come down here. Let me tell you something.
Unless you get in the way of them and the babies.
Let me tell you something. Come here. Let me whisper in your ear. Come here. I want to tell you something in your ear. Look at that light. Oh, that's the sun hitting off somebody's. Huh, look at that
light. Oh, look at that one.
Look at the size of it. Look at that. That's one dookie. That's what Steve-O got hit with. Like that much, dude. He laid underneath it.
Intellectual conversation, isn't it? I'm recording.
Oh.
Your dad doesn't know that though. Wait until he hears this conversation he's having with you guys.
Say hi, elephant. Look at him. See him look?
Oh, look at it. They're coming. Do it again. Oh, do it again.
Oh my god.
Look at him.
Oh my god.
Look at all those people looking. They're like taking pictures of us going, look at them. Look at them. Look at them. They're coming.
Look at that baby one right behind that big mama. Look at it. Look over there.
Look
Oh,
at
it's so little. Look at the little baby one, baby. See the little one? Or is that just a dog following? Nope, that's really one.
them. No, that's a that's like a deer or something. Here they all come. Look, they're all.
That's a deer or something.
Money, we're gonna get thrown out of the park. That's a baby elephant, babe. That is not a deer. That's a baby
Oh
elephant.
yeah, that little one right there. I thought you were talking about the one running.
Yeah, what? Running from your
Oh, look at them. These are gonna be some good pictures.
pictures. I've been recording this whole thing. Even you screaming, ah.
Hey, the fence is high voltage, it says.
Where?
It says danger, high voltage.
Oh, don't touch it. Oh, go get the stroller off of it.
Oh, not this one.
That one. Don't, Money. Don't. That mom's gonna get mad in a second. That's what's getting mad. Look at her.
Look at the one he looked. Do it again. Watch it. They'll all look. Watch, do it.
Don't. I'm getting